Good day, something different. Testing the external internal mic and showing some stuff we bought. Sorry for any secondary noise, they are building a few houses down. So box 1 from them. Nothing that special. Firstly, chain loop, nothing that important, but it was for sale. And secondly, the Raven Edge. So I always wanted to try. It's not really focusing, it seems like. But yeah, always wanted to try one of those with the Nishua. This one was for sale for an affordable price for me. So I decided, you know what? Let's get one of them. It comes with protection wallets, which you should be able to pull off. So yeah, you should be able to pull those off. I will try and figure out how exactly. Look at it shine. I do wear glasses, so that's the tricky part. But they fit over the glasses, so. Whoa. Quickly something else. Look at her. The window is a little bit dirty, but next one is from Avalon King, which I will post a link down in the description. Probably of most of the stuff I will post a link down in the description. Some high quality shipping stuff. So this is the Armoury Shield 9. So this is how the Armoury Shield 9 gets delivered. The logo on the package, all shiny and nice. It's a very tight fitting package. So we're gonna help it a little bit. Oh, look at that. Perfect fit. Thank you for your purchase. And by the way, the link to this product is in the description down below. So this is the product itself. This ceramic coating. It's a small bottle, but this bottle will be enough for an entire car. So it will be more than enough for my motorcycle or your motorcycle, and it's 30 milliliters. So that's the Armoury Shield 9 ceramic coating. What else do we have in here? We have the scratching block with a soft side, and a hard side. We have a microfiber cloth. We have one pair of gloves, black
boots, black belt, black,
and a few of the smaller cloths. And most importantly, we got a free sticker a manual thingy after buying, layering. These go on here, like soft side, that one, this one, and I wax it off, but you will all see that in the next part. So yeah, that is all what this box contains. Okay, and while this one closes up again, so slowly, I got more. There's a flat one, yes it is. Let's see what it is, shall we? Ta-da! I'm not quite sure if my name is on the paper, so that one goes back. Ta-da! One. Focus. Anyway, one micro SD SanDisk Extreme 256 gigabytes. Obviously a what is it, class 10, because otherwise it would be useless. Also for this, the link will be down below, and hopefully this will improve quality and durability and usage of the GoPro, and maybe even improve the audio. I doubt it, but maybe. But we also have this one, believe it or not. As you can see, this is one of those typical Chinese packages, because it is from one of the typical Chinese places. I haven't bought a purple panda yet because I'm not quite sure if the mic is the problem. So I want to test with a cheaper mic to see if that makes a difference. And if it does make a difference, then I can try and get a purple panda. But you need a credit card for that, because I don't have, and not as easy as I would like to. Talking while unboxing is also painful in this, but this is the other mic. Obviously with a clip, and with fluff, and with the right size. Nothing more to it than that. Boring ending. Now I'm gonna test the SD card, the mic, and I'm gonna use the Avalon King, hopefully this weekend. And the glasses might take a little bit longer, but you will see those coming soon as well. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and give us a thumbs up. Somewhere like there, so yes, thumbs up. And I will see you guys in the next one.